Spanish rice and lentils with tomato olive salad. Prepare the ingredients. Cook the lentils and the rice in separate pots. Once cooked, place them together in a large bowl and leave them to cool. Meanwhile, roughly chop 4 tomatoes. Cut 2 cucumbers into bite-sized cubes. Finely chop 2 handfuls of parsley. Finely shred 1 handful of kale. Cut half a cup of Kalamata olives in half, lengthways. Finely dice 2 red onions. Finely chop 2 garlic cloves. Place the chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, parsley, kale and olives into a bowl. Squeeze over the juice of 1 lemon. Mix well and set aside. Heat a saucepan on a high heat. Add the red onions, garlic and saute until tender. Add 1/4 cup of water to deglaze the pan. Add half a cup of balsamic vinegar and half a teaspoon of paprika. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Bring to the boil, then remove from the heat. Add the onion vinegar mixture to the rice and lentils and mix well. Add salt and pepper to taste. To serve, divide the rice and the lentil mixture into 4 bowls, then top the rice and lentils with the salad. And enjoy!